Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyodokan. I'm Ryusei. Today I'm going to show you how to take Kombu Dashi and how to cook Kombu no tsukudani. Kombu Dashi is the essential part of Japanese vegan meal, Shojin ryori, and Kombu no tsukudani is a popular filling of onigiri. And then I made a map to make much more informative and interesting videos. I hope you enjoyed it. Yes, let's go! This is 1000 grams water. And this is 20 grams Hidaka Kombu. Before making Kombu Dashi, please let me explain about Hidaka Kombu. This is a map of Japan. Japan is divided into 47 prefectures. In fact, more than 90% of kombu is produced in one prefecture. Where do you think it's produced? 3, 2, 1. The answer is Hokkaido. Hokkaido is the largest prefecture in Japan. Famous cities are Sapporo, Asahikawa, Hakodate, and Kushiro. And there is the Shiretoko National Park in eastern part. I made a green mark. Hidaka Kombu is produced here. This region is called Hidaka, so the name is derived from a region name. The feature of it is becoming tender easily and having much umami. So we use them to make dashi and simmered dish. Thank you for listening. Let's make kombu dashi. I add the Hidaka kombu into the pot. Now the water is clear and transparent. The color of the kombu is dark green. Okay, let's stand it for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, the kombu has become apparently bigger, and the color changed to dark green to khaki. It's ready to be brought out umami. Good. Let's go kitchen. Turn on the heat. When we make kombu dashi, it's important to heat it gradually, so the level of fire is low. We take 15 to 20 minutes to abstract as much umami as possible. The color of the water has turned to pale yellow. Okay, I heat it for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, the look has completely changed. The color of kombu has turned to pale green. The temperature has gradually risen, so kombu dashi is nice clear. When the water begins to boil, turn down the heat or turn off. Because if we boil the water with the kombu in the pot, dashi will become cloudy. Okay, I check that umami has been brought out from the kombu. There are two ways to check it. First, I check whether the kombu has softened with my fingernail. It's okay if the nail marks remain. Second way is tasting. If you try it a few times, tasting will be easier to judge. And if the taste is thin, I recommend to heat it more 10 minutes. I get rid of the kombu from the pot. Okay, I turn up the heat. Once it boils, I skim off the foam. Then I turn off the heat. Good. Beautiful clear kombu dashi is done. Next, I'm going to make tsukudani using used kombu. This is 50 grams used kombu. First, I'm going to divide it into 3 equal parts. If the width of the kombu is narrow, I divide it into half. And I chop them finely. I'm conscious of chopping them finely and evenly. It's very important. Okay, I do the same thing. Use the kombu is a bit slimy, so please take care of cutting your hand. Good. I've done cutting. And then I'm going to boil and simmer them. This is 200 grams water. And I add 5 grams vinegar. Vinegar has the effect of making the kombu tender. And then I add the chopped kombu into the pan. Okay. Turn on the heat. I heat them over high heat until it will begin to boil. Once it starts to boil, I skim off the foam carefully. Then I turn down the heat to medium-low, and I boil them for 15 minutes until it will become tender. 15 minutes later, I'll check whether it becomes tender or not. Good. Then I add 15 grams mirin, 15 grams sake, and 15 grams sugar. Okay, I stir lightly and simmer them until the water is reduced to half. I simmer them over medium-high heat. Once the water is reduced about half, I add 20 grams soy sauce. The reason why I add soy sauce later is that if we simmer it for a long time, the flavor will be lost. Okay, I simmer them until most of the water has gone. The kombu becomes shiny and the sauce becomes thick and rich. Okay, I'm going to taste it. I think tasting is very important to improve our cooking skill. Great. Actually, the flavor is a bit thick and salty. But it's okay, because we usually eat tsukudani with the rice or as a filling of onigiri. And the saltiness enhances the preservation. When we see the bottom of the pan, turn off the heat. Finally, I add the sesame. I love sesame, so add it a lot. And then I mix them. Okay, I transfer them to the container. Good. Use the Kombu no tsukudani is done. Thank you. Did you enjoy? And how was my map? In the future, I'll introduce about Japanese culture and food more. Next week, I'm going to show you how to use Kombu Dashi to make Japanese vegan meals. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.